Alright. I can get a shot of these before I covered them up with the next stage. So, these are all extra complicated drivetrains. And we're rolling backwards. And this one doesn't go to anything yet. Oh, actually no, I just realized that goes to that will go into that last little set there, and that's why I had to get the photos in now. But then, I guess I still don't really know what those are gonna do, because they're gonna connect to that one underneath there, which just spins this guy. It doesn't involve any of that stuff, because it's all driven by this. And then that shit connects there, which is driven when the thing goes around. But this one is locked in place. So there's actually a sticker that I'm supposed to put on the switch. And middle is neutral, one is unlocked and the other's locked. But without looking at the picture of the final thing, I have no guess as to what any of that means. It's all mystery until it's done. That's part of the fun. Like that corkscrew? No idea. No idea what that's in there for. 20 steps from now, something will connect to it, and I'll be like, oh. Those are for lifting something. I have no idea how they're supposed to get driven yet. That doesn't connect to anything.